In this video, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT as a high-level social media strategist to consistently increase Instagram followers. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll open up my separate document where I have my strategy prompts prepared to make this process incredibly smooth. I'll start by copying the first prompt, which defines the brand, in this case, my candle business, Lumi Wax, and sets a clear goal for rapid growth. I'll paste that into the chat box and click send. As the AI works, I'll scroll through the results to review the detailed growth plan, which includes a specific content strategy and the exact types of posts that will resonate with my audience. Next, I'm going back to my notes to copy a prompt for a complete 30-day content calendar. I'll paste this into the input field and hit enter. Now you can see a detailed table being generated in real time, outlining exactly what to post every single day of the month, from high-energy reels to aesthetic product photos. I'm scrolling down to see the full list, ensuring the posting rhythm and variety will keep my followers engaged throughout the month. Once that's done, I need engaging captions. I'll copy my third prompt, which asks for 5 distinct caption styles using different hooks. I'll paste it into the chat and receive several high-quality options, including relatable stories and surprising facts, all perfectly formatted with clear calls to action and relevant hashtags. To help with discoverability, I'm going to grab a specific prompt for targeted hashtags. I'll copy the request for large, medium, and niche hashtag sets, paste it in, and send it. ChatGPT organizes these into helpful categories based on post volume, making it easy for me to pick the right tags to reach new potential followers. Now, I'll look at optimizing the profile bio to convert visitors into followers. I'll copy a prompt for 3 different bio options, paste it, and let the AI generate variations. I can now choose between a professional tone, a personal approach, or even a playful version depending on my brand's voice for the day. Finally, I want specific inspiration for short-form videos. I'll copy my last prompt for 10 viral reel ideas and paste it into the message box. This provides me with creative concepts, specific hooks for the first few seconds, and even the text overlays I should use. I'll give the chat one last scroll to review all the viral ideas we've generated in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful for growing your own Instagram presence, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.